Chips on the Grill, sponsored by Dale Seasoning and Don's Meat Shop.
Time for another Chips on the Grill, brought to you by Don's Meat Shop and, of course, Dale Seasoning. If you haven't been to Don's, you owe it to yourself to go check out what they've got. Not only the preeminent meat shop anywhere in town, but they also have an incredible, and I mean incredible, selection of seafood. Today, we're talking what the folks from Maine call sea bugs. Today, we're talking lobster. If you're a fan of the B-52s, you know they had that album called Rock Lobster, and they're going to be in town in October for the big car show. Anyway, we're talking lobster, and these are absolutely delicious. First thing you want to do is get a good pair of kitchen shears and then butterfly the lobster. Now, today we have done the lobster a couple of different ways as far as butterflying it is concerned. You can do it however you'd like. And if you want to put a little seasoning on it, just a little salt, maybe a little freshly cracked pepper, sort of like that. And the best part of this seasoning is the butter. We put together a little garlic butter. So all you have to do is dabble some of that on there. And if you're curious, dabbled is a combination between the words drizzle and dab. So dab a little butter on there, and then let's hit the grill.
Why not give the gift of Dale's? Our new gift sets are perfect for the home cook or grilling enthusiast in your life. Snag one for yourself and you'll be all set for summer grilling. Now, back to the grill.
Now, you've no doubt noticed we have a skewer going down through one of the lobster tails. You can use either metal skewers like this or wooden ones. However, if you use the wooden skewer, make sure you soak it in water for 10 or 15 minutes before you put it into the lobster. Why put the skewer into the lobster? That will stop the meat from curling up. You want to let the lobster tails cook 4 to 6 minutes with the shell side down to begin with. And when you turn it over and flip it, it'll only need probably 60 seconds at most. You'll know the lobsters are finished when the shells change to about this color and the meat inside is nice and opaque. Boy, these will be good. Serve them up with a little bit of garlic butter. And by the way, even if the tails curl up, the meat is still absolutely delicious. Today, we're serving it with some freshly grown tomatoes, a little bit of potato salad, and for a little bit of a sweet tooth, perhaps some grape salad. That'll do it for this edition of Chips on the Grill, brought to you by Don's Meat Shop. I'm Chip Chapman.
Chips on the Grill, sponsored by Dale Seasoning and Don's Meat Shop.